model in network concept. What is OSI? OSI means Open System Interconnections Model. It is developed by international standard organizations for communicating information from one system to another systems. So this model has some layers are there. Senders send a data to the receivers. When data is traveling to the different layers, finally it reaches the destinations. It is one of the first layer is physical layer, then second layer is data link layer, third layer is network layer. It's going on. The upper layer is application layers. Here we are discussing each and every layer functions. In this, up to session layer, there is no restrictions to send yet messages. In the transport layer, the message is split into segments. The segments is forward to the network layers. In the network layers, it accepts the segments and converted into the packets. Then forward to the data link layers. In the data link layer, it receives the packets and create a frames. So the frame is transmitted to the physical layers. In the physical layers, the frame is converted to the bit of signals. Okay. Below the physical layer is the physical communication medium. There is a copper wire or fiber optic cables through which the bit of signals are transmitted towards the destinations. So in the receiver side, the physical layers, it accepts the bit of signals. Okay, the bit of signal is forward to the data link layers. The data link layer, it accepts the bit of signals and create a frames. Then the frame is sent to the network layers at the receiver side. At the receiver side network layer, it receives the frames and build up your packets. Okay, the packets is forwarded to the transport layer. The transport layer, it collects all packets and assemble them into messages or segments. Then forward to the session layer. Session layer is to manage the dialogue controls. Dialogue controls between the center and the receiver. Presentation layers. Presentation layers, it encrypting, decrypting, and providing securities. Some of the mechanisms that plays in the presentation layers. Syntax and semantics of the information can be transmitted. In the application layers, it is upper layers, it is the user interface. It providing the various services, file FTP, file transfer protocol, telnet, user can log into remote systems, and SMTP, simple mail transfer protocol, and so many services are available. We are discussing one by one. Okay, what is the concept? Sender send a data to the receiver. How data is arrived to receiver? When data is moving to different layers, finally it reaches the destinations. In this model, we are having 7 layers. Bottom of the layer, physical and data link layers are usually in the network hardware side. Then above the 5 layers are usually in the network softwares. So now discuss one by one. First of all, physical layer. It is one of the first layer in OSI model. Okay. In this layer, we are devices used for connecting receiver side. So in this layers, we are using cup, repeater, and some other cables are used for transmitting the bit of signals. Data link layer, it is just already told, converting bit of signals into the frames. Here, it plays on flow control and error control mechanism. What do you mean flow control? A fast sender cannot swap the slow receivers. Error control means, suppose when you send the data, if data is lost now, just you acknowledge it, you have to retransmit the packet to the receiver side. In these layers, we are using some of the devices switch, bridge, and NIC, network interface card. So here protocols usually in these layers, point-to-point protocols are used. In the network layer, converting frames to the packets, then it plays on main important logical addressing and routing. How packets are routed from source to destinations to determine the shortest path. So when the data is traveled from sender to receiver, first of all, network layer in the IP protocol determine the shortest path. So after determining, the packet is sent to the destination side. Okay. So what is the devices usually in these layers? Router and routers. This devices are used. Main protocols on the IP protocol, IP version 4, then IP version 6.0, then ICMP. So these protocols are usually in this network layers. Okay. Transport layer, in this layers, main protocols use TCP and UDP. TCP means a transmission control protocol. It is a connection oriented protocols. UDP means user datagram protocol. It is a connectionless protocols. Okay, these are all used. Session layers mainly to manage the control and presentation. Already I told encryption, compression. In this layer, secure protocol, SSL protocol, secure layer protocols used. So finally, application layers, so many protocols are there. FTP, Telnet, and SMTP. So many protocols are there. So International Standard Organization has developed OSI models for standard communications between this one coast to another coast distance. Okay. Thank you.